What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know what's going on, but I just want to make like kind of an update on my life and what's been going on. So I've officially moved all the way down to Houston, Texas. I'm originally from this area, so I'm really glad to be back. I'm so excited to have my own garage. Got the Z06 in my own garage. It's freaking awesome. Like, look at that. It's so awesome. But yeah, I just want to explain like what's been going on for the lack of uploads. I have a lot of videos that I can be putting out. I've just been so busy with this last month moving, getting everything organized and ready to get out here. But now I've kind of settled in. I've got stuff moved into my new place. So I just wanted to make this little video real quick. But besides me moving to Texas, there's some other things along with that. So of course I moved out here for a new job. It's the same kind of work that I did out in California, but it's gonna just be a lot cheaper here. My family's here, and this is just the area that I know and love, and this is where I want to be. And I want to have my kids around my brother's kids. I want my kids to have their grandparents, all their cousins and nieces and nephews, all that. I want them to all be around each other, and I want that for myself too. So that's really the main reason I moved out here. Just want to say I've really enjoyed being in California, especially in the Bay Area, over the last 3.5 years. Last year in particular, though, it's the most fun I think I've ever had in my life, joining Bolt Society. And of course, I have my coworker Josh out there. We've been really good friends for the last 3.5 years. Really appreciated all the friendships I've made. Josh, Justin, and of course, president of the car club, Bolt Society, my boy Tyler. They've all really been there for me. And then my friend Steven was also another great friend I made out there. And I will be honest, I'm going to miss them. It was a little hard, to leave all my friends that I've made. And honestly, I got to say, being a Texan, I loved California. It's a lot of fun. But yeah, man, everything in Texas, everything's bigger, cheaper, better, faster. Speaking of faster, so that's what I really want to make this video about, is what I'm going to be doing down here in Houston with my tuner Roy and Ryan Cunningham. So as you guys know, if you follow on Instagram, you've seen that BRC Raceworks has officially moved down to Houston, Texas, and I'm about I think maybe 30 minutes from the new shop. I'm super excited about that. So actually it's not the new shop, just where he's going to be working at. So Ryan Cunningham and Roy have partnered up with Pro Speed, and they are a badass shop, top tier shop out here in Houston. I'm really honored that they're wanting to take in my car and do a quick build on it before the next shift sector here in Texas, over in San Antonio. So that's literally a month from a couple days from now. So basically a month from now, we're going to be going down the shift sector in San Antonio at the South Texas Regional Airport. Whole crew is going to be there. Yeah, we're going to be going with the whole Pro Speed and BRC Raceworks crew. So my car is going to be down there. Justin's car is going to be there. My tuner Roy is going to be there with his ZL1, 1,000 wheel horsepower. I believe Ryan's going to bring his car out. I'm not sure. He has an 1,100 wheel horsepower GT350. Insane. I think it's 1,100. Maybe it's 900 wheel horsepower. Either way, it's super fast. And then we're going to be with Pro Speed, of course. And so they're going to be bringing out a handful of their projects. Couple pretty insane builds they got going on. So that's going to be really exciting to see. I'm going to be covering the whole weekend, just as I did at the other shift sector. It's going to be awesome. But anyway, about my car. So not only did I just move down here, we're doing some more to my car. So let me bring up the BRC Raceworks Stage 3 package. So that's what I'm getting, is a Stage 3 package from BRC Raceworks. And let me just pull that up for you guys real quick. So the new website is launched for BRC Raceworks. Really, really great website. Super easy to kind of navigate through. So the cool thing is I can just search what my car is. It's Corvette. And it's going to come up with anything that's offered for the Corvette. So I'm going to search for that. And I'm going to go down to the 2017 to 2019 Corvette Z06 Stage 3 package. Okay, so everything that comes with this kit is going to be the BRC Raceworks custom cam kit. So Ryan Cunningham custom specs out each cam for each car, particularly for whatever the driver or owner wants it to be. For me, I want my car to be more for roll racing events, half-mile events, not really built for like a drag setup, but I still wanted to be able to do some road course. So the good thing about my car is all the power is in the mid-range. So we're gonna spec out the cam to be a mid-range powered car. So we're gonna get the American Racing headers, long system, 2x3. So they're gonna be, oh, it's gonna be loud. With that cam and headers, it's gonna sound so freaking good. I'm so excited. And so with that, we're gonna have the lower pulley, not an upper pulley. I don't believe we're gonna do upper pulley. But as far as I know, we're doing either 13% or 15% overdrive lower pulley. Then we're gonna have the larger heat exchanger from Corvette Performance. And then we're also gonna be having the DSX low side fuel system. Of course, I already have the flex fuel sensor, but with the Stage 3 package, we're gonna be getting the 5-inch Corvette Performance cold air intake. So we've got a lot more air to be able to come in there. And then with that, you get also the under the hood Corvette Performance coolant expansion tank. And I believe it's like 2 or 3 extra gallons of coolant you can get. But for track days, of course out here in Texas, you can dump some freaking ice in there, whether you're going on the street for roll racing, half-mile events, whatever, track days, dump some ice in there, and you're gonna be able to see those IATs, those intake air temperatures, super, super low, well below ambient temperatures, I believe, which is awesome, honestly, because the Corvette does run very hot. So that's why we're adding all those cooling upgrades. And then of course with that, it comes with fresh set of spark plugs, the Gates green belt. Since we are getting a bigger lower pulley, it's a little bit stronger for that. And yeah, so it's basically just cam headers, cooling mods, and we'll be able to run full 85. So we're staying with the stock injectors. So these are good for around 750 horsepower to the wheels, I do believe. I have a Sunoco store literally right down the road from me at my new place. So definitely gonna be putting some full 85 in here. But yeah, I'm only gonna have the car for about 2 more weeks before I drop it over at Pro Speed. And Ryan's gonna go in there, put his magic. The whole Pro Speed Performance team is gonna be doing all the install work. From what I hear, they're top tier. So like, I'm really excited that they're going to be taking my car in. And so the reason they're able to take my car in such a short notice is I've built a really solid relationship with my tuner Roy and Ryan. And so they want to take my car in as a special project to get it done specifically for Shift Sector. And so with that, we're going to be continuing our partnership together, and I'm really excited for that. Nothing's for free though. I still have to pay my part. Nothing is free.
So alive! Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-chingery. Money, oh money, how I love thee.
We're just able to come together and do a great build for the Stage 3. And then I'll be making videos on the Stage 3 package out there gapping fools. I guarantee you, anyone in this wheel horsepower range, on this platform, any other platform, it's gonna be hard to beat, because Ryan and Roy, some of the baddest tuners I've ever seen work. And that's not just coming from me, that's coming from anyone. They're the best in the business. Also coming up sometime this year, I'll be adding another car to the YouTube channel and to the garage. But yeah, guys, I just want to make this update video real quick, let you guys know, what's going on in my life, what's going on with my car. Literally within a matter of weeks, this car is gonna be crazy. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.